Welcome to my channel Best Women's Hair Growth Supplements. Nutrafol Women's Hair Growth Supplements are a physician-formulated solution designed specifically for women ages 18 to 44 who want to restore their hair's natural fullness and strength. Backed by clinical studies, this advanced formula targets the key root causes of hair thinning, including stress, lifestyle changes, and poor nutrition, to deliver noticeable improvements in hair density, thickness, and overall health. Unlike temporary fixes or harsh chemical treatments, Nutrafol works from within to support your body's own hair-building process. Each serving contains a synergistic blend of natural ingredients, vitamins, minerals, and botanical extracts that nourish your hair follicles and promote stronger, healthier strands. This comprehensive approach helps reduce excessive shedding, improve scalp health, and enhance the growth cycle, resulting in hair that not only looks thicker but feels more resilient. Benefits you can expect: visibly thicker volume. Notice fuller-looking hair as density improves. Less shedding. Reduce daily hair loss for a healthier, more vibrant look. Faster, stronger growth. Support longer and stronger strands from root to tip. Healthy scalp support. Maintain the ideal environment for hair growth. With consistent use, most women see visible results in 3 to 6 months, making Nutrafol a great choice for anyone committed to long-term hair health. Dermatologists recommend Nutrafol because it addresses the underlying issues that affect hair growth rather than simply masking the problem. Suggested use: take 4 capsules once daily with a meal to ensure optimal absorption of nutrients. For best results, continue use for at least 3 to 6 months and beyond to maintain progress and support ongoing hair growth. This 2-month supply includes 2 refill pouches, making it both convenient and eco-friendly. Simply add the refill capsules to your existing Nutrafol bottle to keep your hair care routine consistent without unnecessary packaging waste. Nutrafol Women's Hair Growth Supplements have been trusted by thousands of women worldwide who want to restore their confidence through thicker, fuller, and stronger hair. If you're experiencing hair thinning due to stress, dietary changes, or hormonal fluctuations, this is a safe, natural, and effective option to help you regain the healthy, beautiful hair you deserve. Make the commitment today, because your hair deserves the care it needs from the inside out. To buy this product, go to check links in the description box for each product mentioned. Please subscribe my channel. Watch the next video. Thanks for watching this video.